Warning, your business bank account is stealing from you. Here's the account they don't want you to know about. I am beyond sick and tired of these business bank accounts that are charging us fees for everything. I have had a business bank account for over 5 years now. Now, this specific one did not charge me any fees before. Hear me right. It literally didn't charge me any fees before, but then they switched over and then the fees started hitting me. I literally had to transfer money over to another bank account today for payroll, and then it charged me a fee. I was like, are you serious? You're gonna charge me a fee for an ACH transfer? So of course it sent me down the rabbit hole. I made a video previously about the best business bank accounts, but I'm embarrassed to say that this was not on it. I know for a fact that there are millions of business owners out there that just have money just sitting in a business checking account doing absolutely nothing for you. It's not earning you any money. It's not getting you more benefits. It's not doing anything. All it does, hold on, it benefits the banks because remember, they use your money to lend it out to other people or other businesses and they don't need your permission. So on today's video, I'm gonna break down the best business checking account that you need to switch to as a business owner to help you make free money just for keeping your money in that bank account. That's all you have to do. But before we get into this video, make sure that you smash that like and subscribe button so this video gets out to more people so everyone can stay informed about the best business checking account that anyone can get. But let me break it down for you real quick on how traditional banks like Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Chase Bank, they screw over business owners. First, they charge you a monthly maintenance fee. For what? Just to hold your own money? And my favorite, they limit your transactions. Why should you have to worry about hitting a cap on transactions? Like, really? And the biggest one of all, they give you no interest. That's right, your money just sits there making them rich while you get absolutely nothing as a business owner. Last part's the most important. But now let's talk about Bluevine and why it's literally the best kept secret in business banking. And it's a fact that Bluevine was ranked #1 by NerdWallet as the best business bank account. That alone should speak volumes to everyone. This first one is my favorite. You're going to get 1.5% APY on up to $250,000. That is real money being made every single month. I mean, you tell me where else you're gonna get that. You're not gonna get that anywhere else. You're also gonna get no monthly fees ever. You're also going to get unlimited transactions and a fully online platform that lets you do everything without stepping into a branch. You don't ever have to go into a bank if you don't want to. The entire ecosystem just makes sense for any business owner. And I'm gonna give you a real live testimonial. I used Bluevine to actually file my PPP loan when we went through the whole COVID nonsense. And guess what? It actually got approved through Bluevine and then they helped me get it actually forgiven. Yes, that's right. I didn't have to pay any of it back because I actually qualified for the program's forgiveness. Now, here's the crazier part. When I did it through Bank of America, the first round of PPP loans, I got denied. And then later on, we found out that they just gave all that money to the big banks. So that tells you that Bluevine is on the side of all you small business owners. This is business banking that benefits you instead of punishing you. And for all my small business owners out there, I know how tough it is to get a brand new business off the ground. And the last thing you should worry about is having to maintain a minimum balance when you're barely scraping by to get the business off the ground. You gotta literally make sure that you have either $10,000, $25,000, or $50,000 in a bank account just so they don't charge you any fees. This is why I truly believe that Bluevine isn't just another business bank. It's the future of business banking. If you're a small business owner and you don't have Bluevine, you're literally leaving free money on the table. Think about this. Why should you pay for a business checking account when you could be earning from it instead? So I'll say this one last time. If your bank isn't putting money back into your pocket, it's time for you to dump them. And I'll be honest with you, you're gonna be shocked at how easy it is to set up a business checking account with them. I don't think there's any other platform that made it as easy as it is. Literally in less than 5 minutes, I had set up my account and then I got a nice little surprise. They sent me an email to let me know that somebody was gonna be calling me, but I didn't see it. I didn't notice it. And then someone called me that same day and they said they were from Bluevine. I was like, this is kind of weird. I didn't call anybody. So, well, we're just calling you to help you set up your account. I'm going to be your dedicated representative to help you set everything up. She helped walk me through to set up my actual accounting software, put my accountant in it, hook up any accounts that I need in it. She walked me through the entire process over the phone for free. I'm not gonna lie to you, I was shocked and I was like, this is kind of weird. I have like 3 other business bank accounts and they never, not one time, called me to help me with anything. So if you're ready to get started and get the best business checking account, make sure to comment checking to get started today and start earning free cash for your business. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We covered another big one with the best business checking account that nobody is talking about. Make sure that you watch this next video because it is about a Capital One credit card limit increase that you may want to learn about. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.